And it's the start of the third quarter. Fifteen to shoot. Hakeem passes to Chado. Who's foul rip? Who's foul rip? 27. 27. Second personal foul, first team foul. Sabihin ko, Casey. Sabihin ko. That's my man! Okay. Wala. Gumagana. Buff yun. 54 to 46 ang score. Kurt, binigay kay Jello. Blocking foul. Chado. Ilang bola si Chado? Oh, yun na. Second personal foul. First team foul. Jello, tumanggap ng bola. 14 to shoot. Jello passes to, I can see. Lensing, kick out to Kenneth. Kenneth, 3. Way off. Outlet pass to EJ. EJ bumping Kurt. 2 points for EJ. Jello tumanggap, nakapantay si EJ. 18 to shoot. Kurt, pass to Kenneth. 14 to shoot. Kurt, may out ng bola. Pass to Kenneth. 3. Assist by Kurt. 3-4. Kenneth yan na. Outlet pass. Kurt nakabang sa outlet pass. Uwagalit. Chado pass to EJ. EJ. No foul. Rebound EJ. Pass to Robleza. No foul. Rebound Kurt. 57 to 48 on score. Kurt going all the way. No good. Rebound EJ. Pass to Robleza. Trailing Chado. 57 to 50 on score. Assist by Robleza. Scored by Chado. Akaso ngayon may hawak ng bola. 15 to shoot. Kenneth tumira ng 3. No good. Icon, outlet pass to EJ. EJ takes a shot. Is good. 57 to 52. Lead is cut down by 5. Good ball. Up. Double.
Basket timeout.
Basket timeout. Okay. That's 8 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Icon tumanggap ng bola. Icon. Pass. No look pass to Hakeem. Drop pass to Chado. Who's foul rep? 27. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Ay, ulo mo naman. That is not my man. Second shot for Chado, Madlambayan. Timeout to the ball game. Our score 57 to 53. Munting na mago ni Robleza foul. Number 11. Second personal foul. Team foul. First team foul. Second team foul yung green. Foul! Who's foul rep? Who? 7. Chado, third personal foul, third team foul. 2 shots for Jello. First shot is good. Second shot. No good. EJ, short floater. Saved by Kurt, nakuha ni Kuya Aman. Kuya Aman, pass to Jello. Jello with the two trailing members of the meeting. Short! EJ outlet pass to Robleza. Robleza going all the way. No good, rebound. Turnover by Green. Kurt, pass to Jello. Takes a three. Takes a mid-range instead. Mid-range is good. Jello Bernos. Take your line. Dead ball. EJ driving. Passing. Foul. Traveling. Sub-rep. Our score 60-53. Kurt pass to Jello, doesn't take a three. Robleza, tumitan tayo si Jello, no good. Chado, outlet pass to Robleza, no good. EJ, EJ, pass to Kuya Noy, pass to Robleza, is good. Assist by Kuya Noy. Yan na, Kenneth, driving. Kick out to Jello, driving again. Takes a layup. Layup is good for Jello. 6 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Robleza, 17 to shoot. Pass to Chado. Finds Robleza, takes a three. No good, it's short. Rebound Kuya Noy. Shot clock reset. Kick out to the corner, takes a three. No good. Rebound Chado. Chado setting up the ball. Finds Hakeem. Hakeem takes a jumper. Rebound. Who's called rep? Green ball. Shot clock is at 16. No. EJ nakatanggap. Hiningi ng screen. Tatlo nag-screen sa kanya. Robleza splits the V. No good. Sub-rep. Our score 62-55. Jello takes a three. No good. Rebound Chado. Chado papasahan. Chado taking on the ball. 19 to shoot. Last 5 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Finds Wewell in the corner. Drop pass to Kuya Balls. Finds Wewell again. Wewell. 10 to shoot. Finds Kuya Noy. 8 to shoot. 6 to shoot. Behind the back pass. Hakeem. Assist by Kuya Noy. 2 points for Hakeem. Kenneth driving, no good. Almost stolen. 62-57 the score. 18 on the shot clock. Kuya Balls takes a three. No good. Rebound Chado again. Chado. What's the call, ref? Double dribble. I cannot see anything. Kurt, nag-out ng bola. 18 on the shot clock. Kurt finds Kenneth. No good. Rebound Chado. 18 to shoot. Webber finds Hakeem. Hakeem takes a floater short. Rebound Jello. Jello is pushing on the Jets. No look pass to Kenneth. Assist. Michael Magallanes. 2 points. Kenneth Palose. Kuya Paus sumanggap ng bola. 18 to shoot. Finds Hakeem. Hakeem finds Kuya Noy. Kuya Noy fakes. Fade away. Signature move for Kuya Noy. 2 points. Kuya Noy set home. 18 to shoot. 64-59 ang score. Kurt, binigay kay Kenneth. Picked up by Webber. Kuya Aman tumira ng mid-range. Is good. from Mike. Pass to Kuyaman. Is good. Assist by Kuya. Kay Mike Magallanes. 2 points for Kuyaman. Takes a 3. Chado assist. Is good. Assist by Chado. Madambayan. 3 points for Kuya Box. Our score 68-62 in favor of Team Blue. Lamang lang ng 6. Kurt, ngayon nagdadala ng bola. 15 to shoot. Pinasa kay Jello. Takes a long free. No good. Rebound, Mike. Court, wait lang. Kenneth 3. Short. Rebound, Kuya.
Sabla.
Chado, pass to Kuya Box. Kuya Box, takes another 3. No good. Rebound, Wewen. Takes a 3. No good. Rebound, Chado again. What's the call, ref? What's the call? Kenneth, foul. Ginag-foul si Kenneth. Sub ref! Second personal foul, Kenneth Palose. Third team foul.
Hindi nakakita po ito kailangan kasi.
Our score 68-62. Chado finds Wewe. Jump pass to Chado again. Assist by Wewe. Scored by Chado. Rep, who's foul rep? 25. Second team foul.
Ikaw naman mo dito.
Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Bonus shot by Chado is good. 68-65 na ang score. Lamang na ng 3 ang team Blue. Kurt, pass to Jello. Jello takes a 2. No good. Rebound Chado. What about the rebound by Chado? Maglabayan. Chado, wait lang daw. 18 on the shot clock. Chado, 5. Medyo mataas ang pasa na yun. Turnover, Chado, Madlambayan. Chado Madlambayan with 15 agad. 15 rebounds.
Di makita.
Third quarter. Dadagdag ba yan? Tapos na ako ng 5K. Magka-25 rebounds to Chado. Last 2 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Naman pa rin ng 3 ang Team Blue. Lensing finds Derby. Derby finds Denzel. Pass to Kurt. Kurt driving. Slipping. What's the call, ref? Green ball. Turnover. Blue. Last 2 minutes. Chado playing point guard. The clock is at 20. Chado finds in the corner. Kuya Paul takes a 3. Assist for Chado Madlambayan. The score is all tied up now at 68. Kurt slipping through the D. Kurt finds William T for 3. No good. Rebound Kuya Noy. Passes to Chado. Wait lang daw. Set lang. 20 on the shot clock. Chado looking for someone to pass again. Kuya Boss with a hot hand. Prep to shoot. Chado driving. Pass to Kuya Boss. Kuya Boss again. Shoot again. No good. Rebound. Chado. 2v2 situation. Kurt following. Kurt takes the 3. Takes the floater.
Whoa! What the fuck?
70-68 ang score. Lamang ang Team Blue. 52 seconds ang 14 to shoot. Well, 10 to shoot. Passes to Chado. Chado! Foul! No. Who's foul, rep? Penalty. 25. Pushing. Third personal foul. Penalty. 27. Lensing. Warning for graduation. Sino ba? 27 daw eh.
Yung 2 daw.
Yung 2. Rep, sino ba? Rep? 27 daw. Number ano? Number 2 daw. Ewan ko, commentator lang ako.
Hindi kasi pinaliwanag kasi ng maayos.
Or score 17. Number 2. Ayun sinabi ni Rep. Number 2. Third person ito ang number 2. Denzing libre. Pero dumray. Kick out to Denzel. Denzel dumray din. Stop by Chado. 11 to shoot. Kurt. Handling na ball. 9 to shoot. Kurt driving. Tatlo na kapdipenda. Pero rebound ni Chado. 17th rebound of the night. 18 left on the third quarter. 14 to shoot, Chado. 10 to shoot. 7 to shoot. 3.